Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I placed this order with VDS probably in December. I want to say like at the end of December, right after Christmas. And it is the Velvet Sand in personal. And I'm going to unbox it with you today. I don't typically do unboxings because I like to just enjoy it myself, and I have like no patience to set up, but I really wanted to do this unboxing with you so that you can kind of see like what it all looks like. So I've ripped off my address and everything, and it's literally just been dropped off by FedEx. So okay, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Just so you know that in preparation for this, I've done a ton of research, and I've bought Apple Guard, which I've heard is like a necessity for this planner, but I am seriously so excited. Okay, so here we go. It comes with this little box. Hi, I am your new VDS planner. Yes, you are. I'm so excited. Okay, so VDS, as you know, if you've never ordered before, it comes with a beautiful packaging. This is the box. This is their box. I love that they ship in a box that's like literally not going to shake your planner all around, unlike Amazon. No shade, Amazon, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so VDS. My hands are getting sweaty. Okay, so there's the box. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, wow. Should I even take it out of the plastic right now? Oh my gosh. So, first of all, it smells so good. I'm really tempted to sniff it. I won't. I'll do it after the video's over. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. And it's so smooth. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. I feel like my sweaty hands are gonna ruin it. Okay, but I did wash my hands. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is in the personal size. I got the square corners. I like the sharp look better. I've done, you know, even with inserts, I know some people, let me zoom in a little bit. I know some people like that, like rounded punched corner. I really like sharp edges. So this makes me happy. I think I did the chubby strap. I didn't do the back pocket just because I don't stick a ton of stuff back there. I have it in like a lot of my VDS planners, but I just don't end up using it. Even on my Gilio, like I don't really use it. It comes with the piece of foam here to protect and kind of like help hold its shape. Oh my goodness. I am, wow. Wow. This is perfect. I'm really excited. So I kept the pen loop because I like the pen loop, but everything else has not been, I didn't touch anything other than that. I think I just asked for the sharp edges, and I asked for the chubby strap because I think that it looks a little bit better on here, but I am going to spray it down with Apple Guard, but here she is. In person, it does look a little bit like, on camera, I feel like it's picking up like really like sand, but it has a slight like, it's not pink, but it's a little bit pinky-er tone than I thought that it would be. Like it looks like an ash shade when I've seen reviews done on YouTube and then like people posting pictures, but I don't care. I think this is going to be like permastash. It's beautiful. This is the second VDS planner that I've ordered, shipped from VDS and not bought secondhand off like BSTs or, you know, Instagram, but I'm excited. I'm going to be moving in, and then I'll show you kind of like an updated flip. I've been waiting for this, so I've been hoarding like lots of stuff just for this setup because I knew that it was coming soon sometime, but it shipped pretty quickly. So if you don't know, Petra, who's the owner of VDS, I'm pretty sure or she's the one that does the customer service emails anyways. She is so nice. She answers all your questions. I actually first ordered this in a pocket size and I changed my mind. I felt like I found that like personal size love, and I really feel like this is my size. So pocket, I didn't want to commit to like a super expensive planner that I was going to have custom made because it is my on the go and I carry it around with me a lot more. So number one, I want to treat this one with respect and care, the care that it deserves. And yeah, so I changed the planner size, and it was before, it was definitely after I placed the order, obviously, but it was before they had actually started shipping. And she was so nice about it. She's like, yeah, don't worry, you know, the planner size or the planners ship, the ship date is still 8 weeks or 10 weeks or whatever the wait time was from the day you place the order. So she was really nice and accommodating. You know, super, super sweet, and she's great to work with. So if you have any questions or if you're unsure of anything, if you shoot her an email, I mean, sometimes it takes her like a little while to get back to you, but they're really, really responsive. Obviously, they're in Europe and their, you know, time zone difference and all that, but seriously within like a day or two, and usually within the day, she has gotten back to me, and I am so happy. Oh, you know what, I have to mention that I did add a little extra. I can't remember exactly. I'll put it down in the description box how much, like my specifications, or you know what I did to alter the original size, but I did extend this a little bit more, and I know this is because obviously I chunk up my planner, and it's not, my biggest pet peeve is when my planner can't close. And while I love the look of like the clasp, I can't stand it when my planner can't close with all the things I want inside, or if I have to downsize. So even if it's kind of loose, I don't mind this little space, but honestly, my planners are pretty chunked up, and I feel like with a pen and all that, it's just a little bit more accommodating. I'm excited to see what it looks like with all my inserts and everything put in, but she is stunning, and I am so, so happy. I was regretting it for a little bit, thinking like, oh, you know, I have my Louis Vuitton in graphite, so I didn't know if I wanted to get her, but yeah, great choice. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I clearly did. I have to go wash my hands 10 more times and Apple guard this baby so I know that it's not going to get any water spots on it. It's a high quality planner. It costs high quality price tag on it. So I just want to make sure that it, you know, I take good care of it. All right. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks for watching my unboxing with me. If you have any questions, leave it down below. If you could hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. So close to 1K. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.